Hi everyone, I'm Monty McKinnon. Thank you for joining me. I'm really pleased you're here today. Today I want to extend an invitation to you. I want to invite you to come and join me for Tea with Monty. And the way we do that is I invite you to send in your questions. You send them to me. I will look at the questions and I will prepare an answer for you. And then we'll select a date. I'll let you know well in advance so that you can see your question presented and answered on the channel. And your questions can pertain to the guitar body, the guitar neck, any part of the guitar build you want. It could talk about perhaps the jigs that I use and where you get the wood for guitars. It can talk about sharpening of tools. It could talk about glues. It can talk about how thick the wood should be before you bend it, and how do you bend the wood, and what if you don't have all the benders and the blankets and everything? How are you going to do that? Actually, my very first guitar took me 5 hours to bend the sides for the guitar, so I can now do it in less than 2 minutes. So there is an advantage in going one way versus the other. But if you're interested, we'll talk about that. And we can also talk about choices of tea. What are your choices and my choices? We can talk about why I even write books. What's the point of this? And why do we do it? And trust me, it's not about the money. So if you have a question, fire it across to me. Now here's the address. It's TeawithMonty, and that's spelled M-O-N-T-Y, TeawithMonty, M-O-N-T-Y, at gmail.com. And that will come into me. I'll have all those questions gathered together, and then we'll answer them on another video. If we get a lot of this, and if you're interested in this, and let me know, because I don't know, maybe we should do a live YouTube channel talk, whatever that is. I don't know, there's live sessions. The only problem I have with the live session is I don't know when to schedule it. Like, I've got people following me from literally around the world. So how do you accommodate people in England, people in America, people in Australia, people in Germany and France and Canada, and give them all the opportunity to call in the questions? If you have answers to those questions, then I need your answers. So there you go. You see, it's all family. It's an exchange back and forth. So Tea with Monty, we're on. By all means, send in your questions, and thank you very much for sticking with me. I love my subscribers. You guys are the best. Honestly, I appreciate all your encouragement, and thank you very much. Now it's tea time. Oh man, you know, the Queen has made it to the age she has and has reigned on the throne for as long as she has because she drinks tea. Just saying, just mentioning that, that's all. See you in the next video. Bye for now.